Hey there, welcome back. In the previous video, we had discussed about the audit trail uh, within the agents. And in this video, we'll be going through the data classification. Uh, you can register your data sources with sensitivity levels. The search engine picks them up automatically. Uh, no per call configuration is needed in this case. So we can have a quick walkthrough on that. So here we are using data classifier, data class, and build classification policies classes here from the SDK. And we are trying to register uh, the data classification for FinOps data classifier. For public reports, we'll be classifying it as public and internal budgets, internal and rest of them. So once this is created, so we'll create a classification policy, using build classification policy, in which we'll mention whether in case of restricted cases, does it require approval? In case of critical, should that be blocked? And once that's done, we'll be creating this classification policy. Once the data classification policy is created, we can have a check on that. Okay, we're using agent action. It's a uh, built-in class within agents, which provides for the developers, instead of using actual agents, they can test certain scenarios. So it is good during the build stages. Here, when they try to access public reports, what is the decision? It is allowed and the score is 0.11, and the same happens with the vendor contracts. But whereas payroll systems, it goes to review and gets escalated, as well as M&A documents and the wire transfer documents are critical and restricted. So let us try to run one task with the actual agent. So here we are trying to fetch a revenue report. So what is the revenue report classified as? It's not a public report, however. And then we have to process a payment to the vendor for IT services. Let's see how this is treated. Okay, the payment has been approved. As well as the review report access is also granted. It is also given the reason that the risk is low, being 0.33. The action is review. It proceeds, but there will be a asynchronous compliance review that will happen for accessing this. So this won't stop you from accessing the object or accessing the report. This is how we can configure the data classification policies. Thank you for watching.